Hugh O'Donnell was the chieftain of Tyrconnell.
England were trying to take over Ireland, so they plotted against Hugh O'Donnell.
While in Rathmullan, young Hugh was invited onto a ship to try some fancy foreign wines, but it was a trap.
He was captured and brought on the ship to Dublin, where he was imprisoned in Dublin Castle.
He was stuck there for years and even escaped, but was recaptured.
Eventually, Hugh and his fellow prisoner R. O'Neill escaped by climbing down a large toilet pipe into the moat of Dublin Castle.
They ran all the way up to the Wicklow Mountains, but Art O'Neill died because it was a cold night in January.
Today, every January, athletes run the Art O'Neill Challenge from Dublin Castle into mountains in his memory.
Hugh O'Donnell returned to Donegal, where he raised an army to fight the 9 Years' War against England. He lost and died, but we still remember him.